What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Go Kart Ninja coming at you on a beautiful day here in Kentucky. Just wanted to show you a little solution I came up with yesterday for transporting my bikes in this truck. Just having an issue with the bikes rubbing on these metal bars and kind of scratching up the paint. Didn't really like that. Um, Strapping them in, they kept tilting over, falling, dumping gas. Didn't like that either. So what I did, I took this pallet, removed all of the wood on the bottom except for that back piece that the back tire bumps up to. I put in some hooks for my straps. I put one hook there in the center, and the other side of the pallet also has one. So I have a total of three, and I'm running two straps, and they hold up just fine with the kickstands down. They haven't slid on me. They haven't, I mean, they do sway a little bit when I go around curves sometimes, but I haven't had one incident where they've tilted over. Uh, Been a perfect solution. Just want to give you guys a quick update and show you what I've been up to. Still have the other bikes that are out of commission right now. I have the Baja 200 out in the building. I have this one that I'm working on. Uh, I may just wind up putting a whole new motor on it. It was a brand new 224. I pulled the governor, tried a VM22 carb, couldn't get it to stay running without the choke. It would only run with the choke on. Then I went back to a stock carb, but I'm not sure it was the one for this motor. Still can't get it running right, so I'm about to just honestly give up on it and maybe just go buy a brand new motor, put on it, finish it up. Uh, yeah. And then this one, the OG, it's got a Predator 196 cc on it. Um, for some reason, I'm not sure what's going on, but the sprocket will not line up with the clutch right anymore. Um, no matter how I shift the engine or what I do, and nothing's changed. It was running fine as it has since I've had it. I swapped the motor and then to a 208 cc power horse, and I noticed when I swapped that engine over that I had issues with the clutch lining up, uh, the clutch and chain lining up with the rear sprocket. That's when I first noticed the issue. Then after that, I swapped the motor again, and same issue. Also, for some reason, the throttle on both motors got stuck wide open. Um, well, not stuck wide open, but like it's definitely engaging as soon as you start the bike. Like you have to hold the brake and it burn up the clutch. So this one is definitely on the back burner. I've got the main two that me and a friend ride, and the others are just projects right now. Hoping to have them finished up here soon. Um, yeah, it's just finding time for everything right now. Go kart is down at the moment. I borrowed the engine for something else, and then the governor arm got stuck, and it's trying to run full tilt when you start it, so got to sort that out and put it all back together, but it's where we're at. Got a new truck bed for my truck because this one's all dented up. But yeah, just want to give you a quick update, and I've got a bunch of GoPro footage I've got to sort through, and I'll be dumping it on the channel sometime here soon. But until then, peace.